Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and today I want to give you some more foam rolling alternatives. So what Jenny's doing here is trying to hunt for trigger spots, trying to contract and relax and trying to move her leg around in that position. That's absolutely fine, but why is the main question that I would have. What training issues is she actually having? Is she having issues with groin tightness? Are her knees collapsing in whenever she is doing her squats? Is she having back pain? Why is what is the reasoning for the roller? So let's just sit ourselves up, and Jenny should be absolutely ashamed of herself. We're going to roll the roller away. What we actually want is something to test our range of motion and also to test our strength of position as well. So Jenny's going to set up in the deep lunge position. So she's bringing one foot up beside the other one. She sees, can she pass the deep lunge test? So this shows that she has adequate range and has good hip flexion. If she was struggling to pass that test, if she was halfway up her leg, there's no amount of rolling that's really going to help that. The great thing about this is you're actually going to, over time, acquire more range. The more you do this, it might take you a couple of weeks, it might take you a couple of months, but you have an end goal and something to improve on that will actually improve how you move, okay? So over time, just having a wiggle, moving around that position is going to change your range of motion, and it's going to make your hips move a lot better as well. Next thing I want to think about is, can you create tension in that position? So if Jenny fixes her posture and gets herself up nice and tall and then actively pushes her knee into her own arm with about 10% power, maybe 12, just pushes in that little bit just to feel the muscles having to work on the inside of the leg. You may feel cramping up at your hip. It's a good thing. It means the muscles are trying to learn what to do in that position, but that ultimately is going to be what's going to give you a stronger hip. So improving the range of motion and improving your strength. So just think as if you were holding a plank with your leg. You're just putting a bit of tension on that, okay? So that's going to apply to your lifting and your movement a lot more than any amount of rolling. Now, if you want to keep the rolling in, that's absolutely fine, but I would put more focus into this stuff. Have these movements in every warm-up to improve your range of motion and also to activate as well. So add those to your training and let us know what you think.